Hello friends, today we are explaining about our product. It is called bath treatment. The bath treatment consists of actually two products. One is oil IF 910, and the second product actually is the pills, pills, antioxidant pills. This is available in two forms. One is for leaded and one is for lead free. Let me first make it clear that many people they get mix up, that they are using already solder powder and all that. That is actually, once the solder dross is already formed in your wave soldering machine or in your HAL process. After dross formation, you put the powder and then the metal will go back to the pot, and dross formation, the oxides will be up, and you are removing those drosses. That function actually is done by our oil, but the bath treatment is altogether different. These are the basically pills which goes into the ratio in your solder bath. For example, in leaded it goes 3 gram per kg, and for lead free it is going 5 gram per kg. So this always goes as a total treatment in ratio of solder. For example, you have 300 kg bath, so you need 300 kg into 3, that means 900 gram one time need to add in the solder pot. And after that, when you add every day, for example say 10 kg, you need 30 grams this to be added along with the bar. So this treatment helps actually, the formation of the dross itself, because these antioxidant pills, react with the air faster than, the air react with the metal. So hence your dross formation reduce quite a bit. Manufacturers say the saving is like 30 to 80%, but practically it is coming around, most of the customers say, 30 to 35%. That means your bar consumption will go down by 30 to 35%. So this bath treatment, some people they ask us, that they want to have a trial. So trial is not possible actually in this, because this is a whole theory or concept you need to understand. After you understand the concept, you need to implement it. And the implementation, when you do, it is not one bath and 1 month. We generally recommend for 2 months, you carry on. But some of our customers who are using, they always recommend, that to go, ask your customer to go for 3 months. But before 2 months or 3 months, you should have backup data of dross you are getting before implementation of this bath treatment. What was the dross formation, and then after implementation, what are the further outcomes? Okay, now what is dross? Dross is a oxides which the metal react with the air, and then the oxide formation happen. Now those drosses are floating on the top of the wave soldering pot. But because the machine is moving, so it also goes in the pump, and then again mix up in the pot. So it creates a floating particles inside the solder pot. So those floating particles inside the pot also don't allow heat to transfer internally. So what happened actually, once those particles are also not there inside, and there is a less dross on the top, you get a more effective heat transfer inside the bath. So dross is creating many problems like lumpy solder. It creates the micro bridging, dirty boards, and again the maintenance of your machine will be more complicated and frequent, because dross is coming into the baffle again and again, and even your wave is not very smooth because of the dross. So when we implement this for 7 to 10 days, there is a lot of dross comes out, hidden drosses are coming out, and you will see after 10 days approximately, say some smoothness will come in your process, and slowly you will understand that the consumption of bar also goes down. This bath treatment in HAL process, hot air leveling process, actually for bare PCB makers will help to slow down the copper dissolution inside the pot from the PCB, and also at the same time, because of no floating particle inside the solder pot, the coating on the PCB will be better, particularly in case of SMT. the coplanarity issues will go off. So you save the money on the bar consumption, dross formation is less, your quality will improve. So this is useful for HAL process also. Thank you.